Hello, today I'm going to show you how to drive a Smart Ford 2 with manual transmission. Let's have a seat at the driver's side, and the next step is we get the key into the ignition, and there are three steps to follow. The first thing is we enter the key into the area and switch to number 1, for example. That means the basic electronic supply will be enabled. We can go now to gate number 2, for example. This is stage 2 to make nearly everything on. This is ready for start. And then we shift the gear to neutral. Push for this the clutch. This is the left lever on your feet, and of course for safety push the brake in the center. And then we are in neutral area, and then we can switch to gear number 1 while we push the clutch pedal and switch to gear number 1. Now we are ready to start driving. To start the engine, we have to rotate the key to the 3rd position and keep it holding, but only 4.5 or 1 second until the engine is started up. Okay, so take care. Clutch pedal, brake pedal, plus go to gear 1, switch on the device. Engine is running now, and we're ready to drive. Of course, you can also let the gearbox in neutral position. Then you can start the engine. This is but not the fastest way to start, because you like to start driving instantly. So have a seat, clutch pedal, brake pedal, and then gear 1, start the car, and then you can drive. And to drive, it's easy. We are already switched to gear number 1, or we are performing this now. Then, after this, we can switch to gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, gear 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Haha, that is a little bit too much, of course. We can switch between the gears. And, of course, the back, the reverse. The reverse is to reach on the right bottom side. Of course, because we are going to start now, we have to leave the brake, the hand brake. This we have to push on the button and push it down, and then we are ready to start driving now. Okay, gear number 1. Then release the clutch and the brake pedal a little bit. Smooth and gentle release the lever there. And if you released it, you will feel that you are accelerating a little bit. This is pedestrian style a little bit. It's not so fast, okay? Okay, let's perform now. We remove our feet from the clutch. We remove our brake pedal feet instantly, and then we can start driving without acceleration on the right lever on our feet. This is the standard way and the easiest way to let your car moving, of course. This is a slow and securely driving option. Gear number 1 without pushing the clutch, without pushing the brake, and without everything. Then you can drive. Okay, next step is we can now use the steering wheel to go to left, go to right. Of course, we have the turn signal on. This is the left lever, and then we can start driving. If you like to accelerate a little bit, that means you are going to like to move a little bit more than 5 kilometer per hour, for example, then you have to push on the acceleration lever. This is the right lever, and after this, we pushed. The engine will accelerate. If you accelerate 20 or 30 meters, then you have to switch to gear number 2. That means clutch pedal, push it. Okay, after you push the clutch pedal, you can go to gear number 2. Remove the clutch again and accelerate, right lever, and then perform this with gear number 3. Then the same, release the clutch, accelerate, and then the next step is gear number 4 and so on. If you are ready, you can drive and drive and drive until the gasoline is empty. If you like to gear up, the gear down, that means if you like go from 3 up to 2, you can perform the same style. You have to brake a little bit or be slow enough to clutch, then shift down, job's done. And so you can drive your SmartFour too. Easy peasy, huh? If you like to stop the car until 0, push the clutch and the brake pedal. Then we stand there. Now if you like to go reverse, shift to the reverse gear. The same clutch pedal, shift to gear, reverse, and release the clutch again. The same performance like a drive forward. Job's done, baby. If you're done, clutch, go to gear number 1 and accelerate as you like. And then perform the same style again. Shift to 2, shift to 3, and every time the clutch plus the acceleration pedal are in like on a symphony a little bit. To stop the vehicle, push the clutch plus push the brake pedal. Go to neutral and then go to gear number 1. Pull the handbrake 5 up to 7 clicks. And then switch off the engine by rotating the key anti-clockwise. And then the engine is switched off. After this, you can release everything, the clutch, the brake, the acceleration, and so on. And of course, you can, after this process, the engine is off, you can remove your body out of the interior of the SmartFour 2, and then you are a pedestrian again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.